In the serene mountain village of Jabal, life was defined by simplicity and harmony. Cottages dotted the landscape, nestled among sprawling green fields and towering pine trees. Beneath the eternal blue sky, villagers labored side by side, their laughter and songs the heartbeat of the village. One night, under the watchful moon, a disturbance rippled through the tranquility. From the depths of the forest, a large bear appeared, eyes aglow with an unearthly light. The bear's sudden presence cast a shadow of fear across Jabal, sending the villagers scurrying into their homes. Fearful whispers crisscrossed the village as the shadow of the bear loomed. Hearts pounded with uncertainty, children clung to their elders, seeking comfort from stories of bravery and wisdom. In the heart of the village stood Pir Ali, an elder whose wisdom was as well known as his white beard. As the night stretched on, the villagers gathered around him, trembling and anxious. Pir Ali raised his hand, his voice calm and steady. "Fear not, dear villagers. Courage is born from understanding, and wisdom is our guide." Inspired by his words, the villagers devised a plan. With quiet determination, they crafted a wooden trap on the outskirts of the forest. Inside, a jar of honey glowed warmly in the moonlight, a tempting offer for the wayward bear. The plan succeeded. The bear, drawn by the sweet scent, found itself caught within the cage. Confusion and anger etched its features, yet safety was assured. The villagers, though cautious, watched as relief swept over the village like a gentle breeze. United by newfound courage, the villagers resolved to release the bear, realizing that fear had taught them its most valuable lesson. With care and respect, they transported the bear to the distant mountains, where it could roam freely. This experience bound the community tighter than ever before, reminding them that understanding and mercy can overcome fear. The moral of the story: